Hello, everyone. This is Faith from Cardinal Spirit Readings, and I thought I would do something that I've never done before. Um, I've been looking for some more oracle decks to add to my collection, and I found a video by April over at Tarot and Witchery, and she was showing some must-have oracle decks, and most of these were older mass market decks, which appealed to me. Um, the fact that they're older, it's probably something that you've already seen before, but this is something new for me. So I figured I would do a unboxing and a flip through. It's like my first impressions, and so this is my first time of doing something like this. So let's see how it goes. Oh, okay. So this is a reading cloth that I added to the purchase. So since we're here doing this, we'll just do it all. I don't have my altar set up yet. That's something that's going to be coming in the near future. And so this was purchased with that in mind. So what you think? What you think? Is this beautiful? I think it's beautiful. So since I've spread it out, let's just go ahead and use it today for our unboxing. I purchased the Soul Truth Self-Awareness card deck that was recommended by April. So let's get into this. And I'll try to remember to have everything up here. Good Lord. What did they do to this box? Oh, okay. There we go. So. Ooh, that's lovely. Let's set that over here. All right. Dear soulful you, I see you. I see your beauty and your pain, your joy and your shame. I see the holy truth that your soul is here to bring to the world. What if you were to seek truth over acceptance of others? What if you were to seek love over shame? We have the power within us. It is in the questions we ask ourselves daily that cause us to act the way we do. The better the questions, the better results. Awareness brings light. My goal is for you to feel safe enough to explore all sides of yourself and release all judgment through this daily awareness card deck. Only grace leaves here. You are not broken. You are whole and authentic. and there is a universal ache for more of your authenticity. Your soul knows. If you're brave enough and open to your soul's truth, you will shine a spotlight on all your shadows, restoring that was once lost. Through this process, your soul will guide you to live out your wildest dreams. You are worthy of them all. Your truth, your story, and your message matter. The beauty within me sees the beauty within you. With all my light and love, Brienne. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oops, I got a couple of cards together. And then it says how to use the soul deck, and it talks about Brienne. Okay. So what am I grateful for right now? And then on the back it says adopt an abundance mindset. Gratitude is the antidote to all our problems. Is it impossible to be fearful and grateful at the same time? Gratitude improves our health, opens our heart, and changes our state. And then it offers today's soul action at the bottom. So each one of these cards has one of these questions, and then the little affirmation, I guess, on the back with an action that can be taken daily. So I won't read each of these for every one of the cards, but I thought we needed to at least see one. So this is, what am I grateful for right now? Do I know all my strengths, and am I using them? Am I getting enough rest to restore my energy and fully show up to my life? Am I clear on what my soul really wants? Where can I ask for more help in my life? Do I believe that I am worthy? Oh my goodness. If I had a magic wand and could have anything desired in life, what would I choose? I don't know how to answer that one. On the back it says, burn with desire. Name all the things you love. Am I letting fear stop me? Am I consistently showing up? How can I be more flexible right now? To whom am I comparing myself right now? Am I focused on what I want most? Am I focused on what I am losing or gaining? Am I in my head or in my heart? Am I afraid to be seen? Do I surround myself with people who lift me up? How can I deepen my trust right now? What excuses am I making right now? On whom am I placing blame right now? These cards get down to it. Where can I create more space? Where am I with my health goals? Where do I want to be? Why am I not there? What will it take for me to feel well? What can I do to make a difference? What is the most limiting belief keeping me from what I want right now? Who am I ready to forgive? What can I burn? What are the dominant emotions that run my life? What risk can I take today? To where does my soul want to travel? When was the last time I couldn't stop laughing or smiling? How does my body want to move today? What do I resist feeling right now? What if it isn't true? What if it was easy? How can I surrender even more in this moment? Am I willing? What is my body telling me right now? What am I looking for outside myself that is already within me? From whom can I realize my judgment right now? Am I on the right path? Am I apologizing for my truth? What am I most afraid of losing? What passion am I ready to pursue? What do I believe about money? Do my beliefs match my dreams? Am I ready to let go of this buried shame? Who can I serve today? How can I be more kind to myself and offer more grace in this very moment? Does my life have room for more pleasure and play? Where am I called to use my voice right now? What else could this mean? When was the last time I danced freely? How can I infuse more self-love and compassion into my daily life? What boundaries need to be created or strengthened within my relationships? Am I communicating my needs? What am I waiting for? Someone else to do it for me? And what expectations do I have that are impossible to meet? Oh my, I can't wait to get to work with these. I think if you watch my daily readings, my collectives, I think I might use this deck tomorrow with my Crystal Visions deck. So, comment down below. Let me know what you think of this deck. And look forward to seeing you tomorrow when I do my daily collective reading. Thank you. Bye.